Hey, this is Ryan from Acid Rain Technology, and I hope you enjoyed that little Maestro Jam. I thought I'd go through the patch and explain what's going on here with the Maestro and how it's influencing really most of the voices and sounds going on in the patch. So we have three channels, channels 1, 2, and 3 of the Maestro, going into this attenuverter. And then the outputs of that are going into the ADAC quad quantizer. So it's all being quantized to the same scale. And then those three outputs are going to a chainsaw over here playing pads. So first I had those on a slow random for each of the three first channels. So each of these first three channels are set to 1/16th random to play a slow progression of random chords within this scale. And then the fourth channel of Maestro here has its in one-shot mode here, and then it has its output going to the quantizer as well, the fourth channel of the quad quantizer. And now the input is being triggered by channel 5 of Maestro, so doing a little self-patching here. And channel 5 is set to 16th note random. Now, when you use a random signal, stepped random, to trigger another channel, the voltage of that random signal is only going to trigger this channel every once in a while, once it reaches over the threshold of the voltage, input voltage needed to trigger channel 4. So that'll give you kind of randomly spaced triggers coming out of channel 5 in a sense. And then channel 4 is 1/16 slow random, so it's creating just a long random note every time that random trigger from channel 5 comes into channel 4. So that in turn is speeding another chainsaw up here, which is going into the variable Q VCF from random source, and the bandpass output is being listened to here. And then another, I use the stackable here to bring that stepped random channel 5 voltage that I referred to earlier over to the input of channel 6 to also randomly trigger it. And then channel 6 is set to a just a square wave 16th note, so it's creating a little trigger every time that random voltage on channel 5 goes above the trigger threshold for channel 6. And then that is triggering the Quadra envelope generator from IntelliGel, which is then the envelope generator for this voice on the variable Q filter. And that's being fed through some reverb here in the ER301 where I'm mixing everything. The NerdSeek is sequencing drums inside the ER301 as well as some external drum modules here from TipTop. And all together, that creates this.